Okay, so now let's start dealing with the class. What we want to deal with is something called inheritance. So Metasploit is an exploit framework. Now this exploit framework includes a lot of things. The exploit framework includes scanners, like you want to have port scanners, you know. It includes exploits. Some of the components inside of an exploit, for example, will be called shellcode, right? So that's what some people call the payload, right? And it also includes post modules, like if you want to do stuff after you break into a machine, like maybe you want to steal the passwords, we call those post modules. So your exploit frameworks, they're all going to have scanners, exploits, shellcode, post modules. Now the exploit frameworks, Metasploit is not the only one. Okay, so let's build an exploit frameworks class. So our first class, or second class rather, is going to be called exploit frameworks. Now we always have to, after we set it, we always say adder assessor, and then we're going to add these components to it. You see? Now, let's look at that very first line when we do it. So the class is going to be called exploit frameworks, right? Assessor, that's kind of my properties. My properties are going to be scanners, exploits, shellcode, post modules, right? So if that's what I have, then I'm going to say end, right? And as soon as he's done, what does he tell you? As soon as you're done, he's like, okay, yep, I'm good, right? Now, check out what happens in line 128. Yeah, look at line 128. You go class Metasploit, you put a less than sign, and then you have the word exploit framework, right? So what you're saying is take everything from frameworks and into Metasploit, right? And then, like you said, always say in. Okay. After that, what are you going to do with your next exploit framework? So we did Metasploit. Metasploit's competitor is, always say in. So we've got Metasploit, we've got Canvas. The next competitor is who? The next competitor is, always say, okay. And then we got another competitor, who? And then you say, there you go. And then finally, who's the last competitor with 30,000 exploits? Then we say in. Good job. Good job.
If I can help you learn about who we are, and hopefully, if you're willing to join us. This is Infosecaddicts.